Mr. Meal and Mr. Basket.
Are you cleaning Susie's eyes for her? Oh, it's so sweet, Patsy. I'm a good mama.
Like, Susie, you know, you can't do this yourself, and they're not looking so good, so just sit still and let me help you out here.
Look how the girl was did it to me.
Look at her.
That's Susie. Help me. So to stop.
It's too nice to say no.
So is Patsy. Patsy would be biting Susie's
Oh, no.
face. What's going on? Where's Brother Charlie?
Brother Charlie.
Charlie! Hey! Charlie, look!
Charlie, you're missing it.
Charlie... This is YouTube quality.
Betsy, so you said, since I'm all clean, you need to be all clean.
Yeah, see, I just got my hair groomed, and I'm going to fix you up, too.
I gotta get this one angle. Just don't move.
Aww. Say we love each other. Susie. Patsy, Suze. Let's see your clean... Oh, Patsy's not going to let you
She's
go.
not done yet. She's not finished.
Aw, Patsy. That's so sweet. Your little sister's taking care of you, Susie.
Susie's making that noise.
Egg grunting.
Mm-hmm.
Suze.
It's like, okay, I'm done. Almost done.
Patsy. Say bye-bye.